Hear the sound of nature breathing, with healing in her hands as feeding the bounteous flow of heavenly waters, pampering the hearts of Africa's sons and daughters. Listen to the song that repairs broken souls, and bask in the melody as it unfolds. Digest the angelic vibration, echoing in the breeze, welcoming you home from the Atlantic seas. Embrace the sacred space of the Willie's Waterfalls and ponder on her music when she calls. When her waters fall, feel the splashing rain. Let her take your sorrows and rid you of your pain. Watch the sun's ray coloring the day, reminding you that it'll be okay. Stay in her presence, hear her breathing with hope and healing as food for feeding. Oh, won't you stay? Don't you go away.